What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with dull knives, slippery handles, or switching tools every 5 seconds while cooking, this might be the last knife set you ever need. Today, we're taking a close look at the complete Huusk Butcher Knife Set, and this thing means business. If you're into kitchen gear that actually performs, not just looks good, you're in the right place. In this video, I am doing a full review of the Huusk Japanese knife set and breaking down what makes it stand out, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your money. Right out of the gate, this Huusk Butcher Knife Set covers pretty much every kitchen task you can think of. You're getting a hand-forged meat cleaver, a boning knife, a chef's knife, a utility knife, and a fruit knife. Plus it comes with poultry shears and a sharpening rod. From slicing fish to breaking down thick cuts of meat, chopping vegetables or fine dicing, this set truly delivers that all-in-one capability. Now, one of the biggest highlights in this review is the craftsmanship. Each knife is Japanese hand-forged, giving it that unique hammered pattern you can actually feel. And that pattern isn't just for looks. It helps reduce food sticking to the blade, which means cleaner, faster cuts. The blades are made from premium Japanese high-carbon steel with a hardness rating of 58 HRC, so you're getting serious strength without it being brittle. Let's talk sharpness, because this is where Huusk really shines. The blades are hand-ground to a 15-degree edge, which drastically reduces cutting resistance. Cutting meat honestly feels like slicing butter, and thanks to the blade durability, you won't be constantly reaching for the sharpening rod. This set is designed to stay sharp through heavy use, which is a huge win for anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen. Another standout in this review is the ergonomic wooden handle. It's crafted from natural wood, finely polished, and incredibly comfortable to hold. Even during longer prep sessions, it helps reduce hand fatigue. Plus, the built-in finger guard adds an extra layer of safety, giving you more confidence with every single cut. So, who is this set for? It's perfect for home cooks, barbecue lovers, hunters, or really anyone who wants professional level performance in their kitchen without juggling a bunch of different tools. Overall, this Huusk knife set delivers on sharpness, durability, comfort, and craftsmanship. If you're serious about cooking or just tired of replacing cheap knives, this set is absolutely worth checking out. I hope this video brought you some real value today. If you want to dive deeper into this product, hit that link down below and check it out. And if you'd like to see more, I've got another video queued up in the corner for you. Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.